Thursday stock market news before the bell in under 1 minute. We got to kick it off with Opendoor that grabbed a new CEO and the stock rocketed last night in after hours. It is going to be a wild trading day for Opendoor, so make sure you watch that. The final inflation indicator comes out today, the CPI report. I have no idea what's going to happen with that, but I can pretty much guarantee that the Fed are going to cut rates next week. But it's really impossible to know what the Fed is going to do. Klarna's IPO did pretty well yesterday, up 15%. I did a survey on my channel with about how many shares you requested versus received. A lot of people just got one share, and maybe they're happy because they thought this was going to soar to the moon. LVMH, the luxury brand, has decided that since sales have been a little slow, they're going to come out with a $160 lipstick and $1,400 accessories because sales have been slow. Chipotle continues to slump. It's under $39 a share. That's ticker CMG. I'm a fan of Chipotle, and it's starting to look pretty attractive for me at these prices. What do you think? There's talks about 100% tariffs on China and India. That's gonna be fun. The Treasury just released the early list of the no tax tips. So if you get tips, you don't think you're paying taxes on it, you might wanna do a little search for that and figure out if you're gonna be able to qualify. Nvidia continues to get upgrades. This stock just seems like it's gonna go up forever. Amazon Zoox launches in Vegas. So the robo-taxi war is really heating up. I've never been in a Zoox. I would love to know what that's like. It's a little bit more boxy of a vehicle. I have been in Waymos. I was just in a Waymo yesterday in LA, and then I've been in one here in Atlanta. So the robo-taxi scene is getting really interesting and competitive, which is good for us consumers. And the futures for the pre-market are up across the board. So it might be a positive day. Probably the big indicator today is going to be the inflation report to figure out what's going on. But overall, we might have a pretty smooth day today. And I'll be giving a few more updates. So make sure you give me a little follow so you don't miss a thing.